Good day. We are the students from City Global College. I'm Jansel Jasmine Boragay.
And I'm Grace Di Bonito.
We're here to discuss the topics about
Digital, analog, and wireless transmission.
I'm Jansel Jasmine and Boragay and I will discuss first the digital transmission. Digital transmission. Digital transmission is the sending of information over a physical communication media in the form of the digital signal. This transformation of binary information into two-state signal is done by DCE, baseband decoder. Here are the few advantages of digital transmission. First, produces fewer errors. Next, permits higher maximum transmission rates. More efficient, more secure, and simpler to integrate voice and data. Next is the analog transmission. Is a transmission method of conveying information using a continuous signal which varies in amplitude, phase, or some other property in proportion to that information. It could be the transfer of an analog source signal using an analog modulation method such as frequency modulation method, the FM, or amplitude modulation, the AM, or no modulation at all. Next one is the types of analog transmission. Telephony and voice communication was originally primarily analog in nature, as was most television and radio transmission. Early telecommunication devices utilized analog to digital conversion devices, called modulator or demodulators, modems, to convert analog signals to digital signals and back. It also refers to the communication of sound over a distance using wire or wireless telephones and related technology. Telephony is one of domain of telecommunication, which includes data communication, which involves the transfer of numbers and text through computer networks. Figure 1 shows how the digital signals transmitted over an analog circuit from computers, modem, analog multiplexing, and analog transmission, while the second figure shows analog signals transmitted over a digital circuit from telephones, codec, digital multiplexing, and digital transmission. For our next topic, Grace Bonito will be discussing that way.
This is Grace. I'll be discussing about analog transmission. Digital to analog conversion is the process of changing one of the characteristics of an analog signal based on the information in digital data. Figure 5.1 Digital to analog conversion shows how the digital signals which have a binary state are converted to analog signals which theoretically have an infinite number of states. The next topic about wireless transmission. Wireless transmission is a form of unguided media. Involves no physical link is established between two or more devices. Communicating wirelessly, wireless signals are spread over in the air and are received and interpreted by appropriate antennas. In this lesson, you will learn the concepts of wireless transmission and its components. You will study the basics of antennas, frequency range, signal types, and signal strength. There are some types of wireless transmission media. The various types of wireless communication include radio broadcast, RF, infrared, IR, satellite, microwave, and Bluetooth. Mobile phones, GPS, Wi-Fi, and cordless telephones are devices that use wireless transmission to exchange data and information. For the next topic, we will be posting the lesson about media transmission. Please like and share, subscribe.